put it down and get tossed up. She got skills, it's nothing to get crossed up. I ain't talking ball players, but she get tall bucks. I love it when she act right, can't get enough. Made me hit it from the back twice, made me play my music, telling me that my rap's nice. I said cool, just make sure you keep that back tight. You said I play too much, I can't play enough. You thinking you say too much, you can't say enough. This bond we done broken and made it up. Tell your friends to get a man and put the hating up. Used to get chills from the ice season going up, and when you drink too much in the morning, you'll be throwing up. But it's all good, everybody know it's us. I'm like, fuck it, I'ma keep the mopoing up.
Do the thing that keeps a smile on her face. Say the thing that makes me feel better every day. And you got to stay on your P's and Q's. If you don't, the woman you can easily lose.
Yeah. Don't leave, baby. Just take a minute. Your judgment is cloudy when you ain't sober. Realizing that you give me luck like a clover. We keep it rolled up, we get baked like some stovers. Like the old heads say I'm on Doja. We in the fast lane, you ain't bout it, move over. It's plenty cash in my team, we cut green like mowers. And the realization of me not in the chasing, or how you acting funny and be faking. But me, I'm in the caking. So if you wanna be here, the facts you'll be facing. It's you and W-double-O-D. We can paint a perfect picture. I would drop all my plans just to kick it with you. If it's our anniversary, I wouldn't miss it with you.
Do the thing that keeps a smile on her face. Say the thing that makes me feel better every day. And you got to stay on your P's and Q's. If you don't, the woman you can easily lose.
Yeah, so tell me what you need. She said I broke her heart and it's locked, and to get back I'm gonna need a key. Well, I'm thinking that's fair enough. I'm just showing you I care enough to put my heart out on these beats, my heart out in these streets. Got me showing you this love, bet these niggas think I'm weak, but I wish they would try. Multiple adaptions to stress, but I prefer to get high. Does that make me wrong or does that make me right? Fuck it, I vision you being my wife. So tell me what's the next move. I just wanna get next to you, and I'll be giving a great gift for sex to you. You'll be satisfied, ain't gon' be no next for you. So if you got a lady that you care for,